3 Biossance Bestsellers? Absolutely yes. This is the Love, Joy, and Bestseller set from Biossance, and I am so in love with it. This set has some of their most iconic products with a limited edition sleeping mask. But wait, it gets even better because this set includes a full-size Omega Repair Cream, and this product alone is the same price as the entire set. So let's meet the set. We have the Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. It's kind of my do-it-all serum. I love how it fights the signs of aging and helps smooth out my uneven texture. This is the Omega Repair Cream. It is such a decadent moisturizer. It plumps my fine lines and leaves my skin feeling so soft. It's like a warm hug for your face. And you know I'm all about being glowy, dewy, and hydrated, especially during the cool winter months, so I'm ecstatic that the vitamin C rose oil is in here. It's the last step in my routine to seal in all my hydration, and I love adding a few drops of this to my foundation in the morning to create a dewy tinted moisturizer. And last but not least, this set also comes with a super cute pink sleeping eye mask. This set radiates glowy self-care vibes.